Hey foodies, thanks for watching. I want to show you a Snickerdoodle recipe. This is a classic German-Dutch cookie, and what gives it its characteristics is it's soft and chewy, and that's from the cream of tartar and the baking soda. So it's gonna leaven it, but it's also gonna soften it, and it's gonna be really good. Let's get right into it. So we want to start by creaming our butter, and my butter here is softened. And my sugar. So it's been about a minute and a half. I'm going to scrape down the sides. Now that I've scraped down the sides, I'm going to add one egg at a time. If you don't have a mixer, feel free to do this in a bowl with a spoon, and you want to really beat the butter and the sugar until it's all dissolved, and then you want to beat in the egg until it's mixed in well, and then we're going to do the second egg. Now I'm going to add my second egg, and I'm going to beat that in. I'm going to scrape down the sides again. You can really see how creamy the mix is getting. It's getting really smooth and light. It's exactly what you want. And I'm going to put in my vanilla. And while that vanilla is mixing in, I'm going to mix in my salt, my baking soda, and my cream of tartar into my flour. Now we're going to add our flour mixture with our baking soda and our cream of tartar. You might be wondering, hey, this guy's gluten-free. He can't just be putting regular flour in. I'm using Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour today. It works cup for cup with pretty much any recipe that I throw at it, and I love it. So here we go. The flour's going in. And give that a little mix. And it's mixed up. So I'm going to scrape off my paddle. Oh, this looks great so far. You can see all the sugar crystals have dissolved. The fat has gotten lots of air in it. It looks really good. Okay. I've got a parchment-lined baking sheet here, and I'm going to drop these by the tablespoon, rounded tablespoon of course, because you want to give it that classic Snickerdoodle look. Now that I've spooned them, I'm just going to lightly roll them. Just give them a really round shape. Because you want these to be almost pillow-like. So these are going to go into a preheated oven of 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. These look really good. They look really soft and chewy. I can't wait to sink my teeth in. There's a little bit more to do. It's not much. I just wanted to point out, you can tell that they were really well baked and that they were baked quite nicely because they started getting brown on the edges, but they were soft on the middle. And you can see the underside is nice and brown. It's really quite nice. So they've been out of the oven for about 10 minutes. I'm just letting them sit. They took about 9 minutes in my oven. Your oven might be hotter, cooler. Every oven's a little bit different. Make sure you keep an eye on them around the time frame that they're supposed to be done. And I'm going to add some sugar, some cinnamon, and then I'm going to stir this up. And this is what gives the Snickerdoodle that unique, wonderful flavor of cinnamon and sugar. Okay, so now we just dip these in cinnamon sugar. I'm going to put them on a plate. They look great. And it's funny, I've had Snickerdoodles before, but I just get excited making my own cookies. I mean, it's so wonderful and great because you know what's in them. You know you can have everything in them, and you can enjoy them knowing that you made them. These are what you made. Oh, I guess that won't fit. Well, I'm gonna have to try it. I love the crunchiness on the outside. And it's pillow-like. It's almost like biting into soft butter or marshmallow in the middle. It's so good. Thanks for watching.